In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp space. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help you and your team stay organized, collaborate efficiently, and manage projects seamlessly. Whether you're setting up your first space or adding another one to your workspace, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the entire process. By the end, you'll have a fully customized space that fits the unique needs of your team or workflow. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and go to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account. You can do this by entering your email and password, or you can use a social sign-in option like Google or Microsoft if that's more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. Now, take a look at the left side navigation bar. This is where all your spaces, tasks, and tools are organized. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Spaces. In this section, you'll notice a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that plus icon to start creating your new space. The first thing you'll need to do is give your space a name. Choose something that reflects its purpose, like marketing, product, or operations. This name will help you and your team quickly identify what the space is all about. Once you've decided on a name, the next step is to select an icon for your space. This icon acts as a visual identifier, making it even easier to spot your space in the navigation bar. Click through the available options and pick one that feels right. If you want to add a little extra context, you can also include a short description for your space. This is optional, but it's a great way to clarify its purpose or scope, especially if other team members will be using it. Next, take a moment to review the default permissions for your space. These settings determine who can access and edit content within the space. If you're working on something collaborative, you might want to set permissions to full edit so your team can contribute freely. If you're unsure, you can always adjust these settings later. Now decide whether this space should be private or public. If you want the space to be visible only to specific people, toggle the private option on. This is useful for confidential projects or smaller teams. If the space is meant to be accessible to everyone in your workspace, leave the private option turned off. Once you've made your choice, click Continue to move forward. At this point, you'll see some additional on-screen prompts. These will help you confirm your settings and finalize the creation of your new space. Follow these prompts carefully to complete the setup process. Once you're done, head back to the left sidebar and check to make sure your new space appears in the list. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully created your ClickUp space. Now you can start adding lists, defining workflows, and organizing tasks within your new space. This is where the real work begins, and you can fully customize it to suit your team's needs. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.